Okay, just another cracking car from Phillips & Co. Automotive. 2019 Kia Rio S Automatic 5-door hatchback in a nice blue metallic. It's only travelled 51,000 kilometres. Got the reverse camera, parking sensors. Car comes with a 7-year factory warranty as well from new. Certainly good value at 18,999, and the car does present in very good condition. Might show you inside the interior. So we do have 2 remote keys, which is great. Dual airbags, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 51,419 kilometres. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, big colour screen that. Air conditioning, it's freezing cold. Automatic transmission. Interior seat trim is all in excellent condition. Got the side airbags there as well. Front passenger logbooks. Check out the photos for the service history. And there's your back seat there, all looking very, very good. And I will just show you inside the boot quickly. A nice big deep boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please